Welcome back, everyone.
We are happy you are still with us.
Miss Sophia, I have another question.
Of course, Ethan, what is it?
How can I improve my listening skills?
Listening is very important in language learning.
I know, but sometimes people speak too fast.
That is a common problem.
What should I do?
Start by listening to slow English conversations.
Like this podcast?
Yes, exactly like this podcast.
That is good to know.
Listen to short conversations many times.
Many times?
Yes, the first time, just listen.
Okay.
The second time, listen for key words.
Key words.
Words that help you understand the meaning.
I understand.
Then listen again and repeat the sentences.
That sounds helpful.
It really is.
Sometimes I understand the words, but I cannot answer quickly.
That happens to many learners.
Why?
Because speaking needs practice.
So I need more speaking practice.
Yes, the more you speak, the easier it becomes.
I often talk to myself in English.
That is an excellent habit.
Really?
Yes, you can describe your day in English.
For example,
You can say, I woke up at 7 o'clock.
I woke up at 7 o'clock.
Then say, I had breakfast.
I had breakfast.
Then say, I went to school.
I went to school.
Very good.
Those sentences are simple.
Simple English is powerful.
I like simple English.
Good. Never feel bad about using simple sentences.
Sometimes I compare myself to other students.
Comparing yourself to others can make you feel worried.
Yes, sometimes it does.
Everyone learns at a different speed.
That is true.
Focus on your own progress.
I will remember that.
Good.
Miss Sophia, can we learn some useful classroom expressions?
Great idea.
What is the first expression?
Can you repeat that, please?
When do we use it?
We use it when we do not hear something clearly.
Can you repeat that, please?
Excellent pronunciation. What is another expression? I don't understand.
That is very useful.
Yes, never be afraid to say it.
I don't understand.
Perfect.
What is another one?
Can you help me?
We use that when we need assistance.
Exactly.
Can you help me?
Very good.
I think these expressions will help me.
I think so too.
Let's talk about grammar.
Wonderful.
Sometimes I do not know when to use go and went.
That is a common question.
Can you explain?
Of course.
I'm listening.
Go is present tense.
Present tense means now or usually.
Correct.
Example,
I go to school every day.
I go to school every day.
Very good. And went.
Went is the past tense. Example,
I went to school yesterday.
I went to school yesterday.
Excellent.
So, go becomes went.
Yes, it is an irregular verb.
English has many irregular verbs.
Yes, but you can learn them little by little.
I will keep practicing.
That is the best way.
Miss Sophia, what should I do if I make mistakes?
Do not worry about mistakes.
Really?
Yes, mistakes are part of learning.
Sometimes I feel embarrassed.
Everyone makes mistakes.
Even teachers?
Yes, teachers also make mistakes.
That makes me feel better.
Good. Every mistake teaches us something.
I like that idea.
Learning is a journey.
A journey takes time.
Exactly.
Thank you for your advice today.
You are very welcome.
Listeners, how do you practice English every day?
Please write your answer in the comments.
Maybe you read books.
Maybe you listen to podcasts.
Maybe you speak with your friends.
Every small practice can help you improve.
If you're enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And share this podcast with your friends who are learning English.
Miss Sophia, I learned many things today.
I am very happy to hear that.
I learned about listening, speaking, grammar, and useful expressions.
And most importantly, you learn to keep practicing.
Yes, I will not give up.
That is wonderful.
Thank you for being my teacher today.
It was my pleasure.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you, everyone, for listening.
Keep practicing your English every day.
We believe in you.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.